kita kaya tapi kita secret kaya. Kenapa kamu nggak lihat di list Forbes sama semua? Dia bayar buat enggak tulis di situ.
Oh gitu.
Ada banyak orang di list itu, you know. Tapi dia semua bayar, oke. Dia nggak mau tahu orang kaya. Kenapa dia mau orang cari nanti, oke, cari duit, you know? No, secret rich. Itu humble.
Ya, ini mungkin, belum ada gambaran. Ini mungkin akan jadi episode yang paling gila. Karena tamu saya orang gila juga. Orang yang punya dua karakter, yaitu Bobby Saputra dan aslinya?
Aku orang Indonesia.
Indonesia. Bohong gitu. Jadi tiba-tiba di dalam berapa bulan terakhir muncul satu karakter yang lucu banget, ngagetin orang, sombong banget. Dan ternyata semuanya adalah bagian dari strategi. Apa kabar Bobby atau Ben?
Bobby Saputra.
Bobby Saputra. Jadi orang terkaya nomor 7 di Indonesia.
Papa saya.
Oh, papa.
Ya, aku nomor 8.
Kocek. Anaknya siapa ini? Bener loh.
Tapi
bener
kita
loh,
bukan di internet, bukan di list-list kita.
Aku cari di Forbes gitu.
Kita nggak di
Kayaknya
Forbes.
dia nggak punya anak yang segila ini gitu, yang sesombong ini. Lu tuh sombong banget ya.
What is sombong?
Sombong is
Arrogant. Kalau kamu punya duit kayak saya, kamu juga sombong.
Enggak lah.
Tapi kamu belum naik ke situ.
Enak aja. Saya udah ketemu dengan 20 richest of Indonesia. All tidak ada yang sombong. Nggak ada.
Secretly sombong.
Secret sombong.
Kalau dia 20 ada duit kayak saya sama papa saya, dia juga sombong.
Gitu ya?
Yeah.
Enggak tuh.
No.
Saya udah ketemu dengan yang punya Jarum, saya udah ketemu dengan Anthony Salim.
Yeah.
Saya ketemu udah top 20 lah, saya udah ketemu semua. Enggak ada yang sombong, Ben.
Oh no?
Bob.
Tapi dia belum ada duit kayak papa saya.
Ya kalau papa kamu baru nomor 7 lah, saya udah ketemu 1 sampai 6.
7 di Asia.
Oh, 7 di Asia.
Nomor 1 di Indonesia. Tapi bukan di list-list. Kita nggak masuk ke list.
Kenapa?
Cuci duit. Kita nggak mau orang tax nanti datang ke rumah kita. Like, ini semua duit.
Jarang loh ada orang kaya ngaku dia cuci uang, money laundering. Jadi kalau nggak orang nekat, nomor 2 kalau memang money launderingnya bohong sebenarnya. How can you get that character bad?
Bobby Saputra?
Bobby Saputra.
Ya,
How
itu
can you get it?
Itu cuman, life saya. Like, ini kalau aku posting di Instagram.
Yes.
Itu bukan character.
Yeah.
Itu cuman sedikit snippet dari life saya. So, aku cuman jalan-jalan, and aku bikin video, dan semua orang bilang aku sombong. Tapi ini cuman life-nya biasa saya. Aku enggak bikin like staging atau apa. Ini semua aku bangun di villa saya di Menteng. Kita ada 20 kamar, And aku punya maids dari Singapura. Lebih mahal tapi lebih bersih,
Yeah.
Bikin bersih rumah,
Maidnya dari Singapura?
Yeah.
Bukan pembantu dari Indonesia?
No, maids dari Singapura.
Orang Singapura aja pakai maidnya dari Indonesia?
Iya.
Ya, itu orang miskin.
Aku payback, Kita orang Indonesia ke Singapura.
Balas dendam, ya?
Yeah. Aku bikin equal in the world, ya. Aku ambil semua maids dari Singapura kerja di sini.
How many?
Aku punya 4. $50,000 seminggu.
Gajinya?
Oh no, sorry, bulan.
50,000?
Dollars.
US? Sin?
Singapore dollars.
Singapura. Oh, 500 juta dong.
50,000.
Iya, 50,000 US, 5,000 Sin dolar. Sekarang kan 11,000 ya. Itu artinya 550 juta rupiah.
Yes.
Per bulan.
Yes.
Satu maid, satu pembantu.
1. Aku ada 4.
Jadi, wow.
Yeah.
2,2 miliar hanya untuk bayar pembantu aja.
Yes, tapi itu lucu juga kan, because payback ke Singapura, dia pakai perbantu dari Indonesia, aku punya perbantu dari Singapura. Singapura semua mudah sekali, itu orang muda, Kita orang Cindo, aku sama kamu, kita very rich. Orang Singapura very hungry,
Yeah.
They are starving. Aku mau bikin balance. You're welcome.
Kamu Bobby itu orang mana sih aslinya?
Bobby Saputra?
Bobby Saputra.
Jakarta, Menteng.
Jakarta Menteng.
Born Menteng, papa dari Menteng. Kita tidak living Menteng. Cuman ke Plaza Indonesia and balik ke rumah.
Bolak-balik gitu aja?
Yes.
Wow.
Yep.
Punya 20 villa di Menteng?
No.
Which part of Menteng?
Bukan. 20 kamar.
20 kamar?
Yeah, 20 kamar. Di rumah.
Di rumah?
Yeah.
Wow. Orang nggak boleh tahu?
Yeah, no, secret.
Secret ya. Nanti datangin petugas money laundering.
Yeah, orang tax nanti.
Jadi Bobby Saputra itu keturunan dari mana sih?
William Saputra.
William Saputra.
Yes, papa saya. Bisa bilang halo, papa dari situ. Yeah.
Oh ya gitu ya.
Yeah.
Hai, Pak William, anaknya ada di sini. Dulu makan apa ya kok bisa begini karakternya Bobby Saputra?
Makan apa?
Makan apa? Mungkin ada salah makan atau apa, enggak ya?
What? No. No.
Do you think that you are normal?
Yeah, semua orang kaya normal. Cuman orang ada perspektifnya salah. Dia lihat kita sombong, gila, tapi kita cuman ini life kita biasa, you know. Aku bangun, you know, 4 maids yang bikin minuman buat saya itu buat saya biasa. Orang ada perbantu juga kan. Perbantu saya cuma sedikit lebih mahal, you know. So
enak aja sedikit lebih mahal.
Yeah.
Kamu tahu UMR di sini? UMR sini di 5 juta. Jadi kalau kamu bayar pembantu dari Singapura 550 juta, you can get 110 pembantu Indonesia.
Tapi aku mesti bayar visa sama pesawat. Kalau dia mau ke Louis Vuitton, aku mesti kasih sedikit juga.
Pembantu nggak ada ke Louis Vuitton.
Oh, oke. Permisi.
Jadi pembantu kamu pakai branded semua?
Semua, bro. Kalau nggak enak lihat kan, atau you know. Di rumah saya, you know, Gucci, Versace, cuman.
Gitu-gitu aja.
Yes.
What is your favorite brand?
Samuel Wongso. You know Samuel Wongso?
Oh, yeah.
Taylor?
The
best.
All fitted.
Yes.
Taylor.
Yes. Aku nggak mau pakai baju yang semua orang bisa pakai. Aku cuma datang ke rumah Samuel Wongso, dia ambil measurement, dia bikin baju buat saya. Yeah.
Ini dipakai juga Samuel Wongso?
No. Oh no, ini baru. Ini toko di Menteng, Batik Concept. You know Batik Concept? Ini baru. Ini batik tulis.
Batik tulis.
Tapi ya.
Mahal banget pasti.
Yeah, because ini 5 anak kecil bikin ini, you know, and they 3 bulan painting ini. So aku suka pakai.
Boleh tahu harganya berapa?
Kebanyakan nomor buat kepala kamu.
Berapa? Sembarangan lu ngomongnya.
Banyak 000000.
Berapa? 100 juta?
No, like 5 juta or something.
5 juta.
Yeah. Tapi ini biasa, ya.
Tapi jarang ya pakai batik, saya lihat ya. Kalau di IG, di medsos saja.
Aku proud Indonesian, you know. Bahasa saya sedikit masih susah because aku study di Amerika. Tapi aku proud Indonesian. Aku mau support semua. Teman saya semua orang kaya juga kan. Gibran, Axton, you know. Dia semua. Aku mau support Indomie and Indonesia. I'm very proud Indonesian.
Saya tuh kenal Axton, saya dekat banget.
Yeah.
Tapi nggak sesombong kamu lah.
Yeah, tapi
very
dia
humble.
Ya, okay, tapi Axton cuma ada setengah duit yang punya saya.
Dengerin tuh temen lo.
Axton, I don't know. Di sini kita di sini.
Jadi ayahmu dengan kamu kekayaan di atas lagi Axton dan Anthony Salem.
Sedikit lagi, ya, so like double lagi.
Kok ada orang kaya nggak terlacak ke radar gitu?
Lakar, sorry?
Nggak terlacak oleh apa gitu, IRS atau apa gitu. Orang nggak ada yang tahu ada William Saputra yang sekaya itu dengan anaknya juga yang sekaya itu.
Ya, kita kaya, tapi kita secret kaya. Semua orang di Arabik kan, dia semua punya duit. Kenapa kamu nggak lihat di list Forbes sama semua? Dia bayar buat enggak tulis di situ.
Oh gitu.
Nanti enggak ada orang yang cari.
Oh gitu.
Sama-sama family kita.
Gitu.
Yes. Semua ada banyak orang di list itu, you know. Tapi dia semua bayar. Okay. Dia nggak mau tahu orang kaya. Kenapa dia mau orang cari nanti? Okay, cari duit, you know? No. Secret rich. Itu humble.
Oke. Saya nonton video ya, yang Bobby buat. Kenapa kamu ketawa sendiri? Keren banget gitu, lucu banget.
Apa?
Lucu lah konsepnya ya. Ya, kadang-kadang penuh dengan surprise atau apa gitu.
Aku suka comedy, aku suka lucu, you know. Life so hard. Kenapa nggak bisa laughing sedikit, kenapa so serius? Kenapa nggak you know, pelan-pelan, bikin sedikit lucu, you know. Life is so hard, you know.
Dan banyak yang terhibur.
Ya, banyak susah. Aku juga ada susah, you know. Kalau macet di jalan, aku juga mesti tunggu di Ferrari saya. Atau elevator, elevator, lift. Kalau lift lama sekali, aku juga mesti tunggu di lift. Life juga susah buat orang kaya.
Oh, susahnya kamu gitu ya? Nunggu macet tapi di Ferrari. Gitu. Kamu juga dapat duitnya dari mana?
Aku kerja.
Kerja apa?
Di kantor papa saya.
Kantor papa? Papa kerja bidang apa?
Banyak bisnis di sini, di sana.
Batu bara?
Sorry?
Batu bara? Cool
business? Aku nggak tahu, to be honest. Aku cuma ke kantor setiap hari. Aku kerja 45 menit. Nanti aku pulang lagi.
45 menit aja?
Ya.
Apa kerjanya?
Aku ke kantor motivasi semua orang. Kalau kamu kerja banyak, nanti tahun lagi aku bisa pesan Ferrari baru lagi. Aku kayak motivational speaker di company saya, papa. Aku brand ambassador, motivational speaker, sama face of the company. Aku jalan ke icon. Semua orang lihat saya, kalau aku kerja keras banget, aku juga bisa fun kayak Bobby Saputra.
Tapi yang terjadi, kamu motivasi karyawan-karyawanmu supaya mereka create duit banyak supaya kamu bisa beli Ferrari. Itu yang saya tangkap ya. Bukan mereka yang beli.
Tapi itu mindset kan. Aku kayak mindset coach. Aku bikinin dia mindset. Kalau kamu kerja buat kantor ini, kamu nggak bisa pesan Ferrari. Kamu mesti bikin kantor sendiri, you know. So aku kayak like mindset coach.
Mindset coach for yourself.
No, buat semua.
You push them to work hard.
No.
And the money is coming to you.
Yeah, itu lesson.
Udah gila. Jadi gue motivator ribuan orang gitu, tapi kan saya berat for them, not for me.
Iya. Tapi aku motivasi orang. Kalau kamu tinggal di kantor di sini sendiri, cuma aku yang bikin duit. Kalau kamu pergi kerja buat kamu sendiri, kamu juga bisa bikin duit. So aku like mindset, you know, motivasi.
Dia happy, mereka happy.
I don't care.
I don't care. Bos macam apa ini?
Aku bukan bos. Aku kerja.
Aku anaknya bos.
Ya, papa saya yang bos. Dia bikin semua, you know. Ya.
Maksudnya kalau gini, cewek-cewek datang semua dong.
Yes.
Artis-artis gitu.
Yes, semua artis.
Semua.
Yes.
Dikejar-kejar.
Sorry?
Dikejar-kejar oleh cewek sekarang.
Ya, aku girlfriend is what?
Girlfriend ya, cewek. Pacar.
Pacar. Ya, banyak pacar. Ya.
Tiap hari ganti.
Setiap hari ganti, tapi istri marah, you know.
Kau punya istri?
Ya.
Kok mikir ya? Masa orang punya istri mikir?
Istri is wife.
Wife, ya?
Oh ya, ada satu.
Ada satu?
Ya.
Pacar banyak?
Ya, tapi girlfriends, nanti. Tapi semua respect.
To your money?
No, each other.
Each other. Pacarmu katanya orang-orang kaya juga ya?
No. Cuma celebrity atau artis atau apa. Yeah.
One night gitu cuman?
No, ganti. Bro. Itu bukan respectful.
Oh, enggak respect.
1 tahun.
Tadi katanya tiap hari ganti.
Ganti, tapi setahun, you know.
Iya, setahun sekali artinya.
Semua Miss Indonesia, you know. Olivia Jensen itu girlfriend.
Kamu pacarin semua?
All of it, ya. Di Indonesia boleh banyak wives kan atau enggak? No. Kamu ada pacar?
Enggak lah, saya punya istri.
Wife? Oh, okay. Happy?
Very happy.
Oh, good. Okay.
Yeah. You're not happy with your wife?
Yeah, lumayan.
Could
be better, you know.
Lumayan. Kok kalau jadi bininya marah ini. If I were your wife, I'll get mad.
Tapi the secret Never date a girl that doesn't respect your wife. Itu good advice dari saya.
So, tiap kali kamu ngedate cewek lain, you have to tell your wife. Get permission from your wife?
No, dia cuma mesti respect.
Respect aja.
Ya, aku punya wife. Ya.
Oke, respect.
Cindo culture. Aku
Cindo
mesti
culture.
ada wife kan?
Oh, itu Cindo culture.
Yeah.
You crazy Cindo. Okay, how can you play this character? Very good, you know, and everybody impressed. Semua orang terkesan dengan what you are doing in your medsos.
Bobby Saputra, you mean?
Bobby Saputra, ya.
Why I play it so well?
Yeah, why you do it so well, and so you have so many followers, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that some of them believe that Bobby Saputra is real.
Yeah, God, it's I don't know. I don't know. Ini bukan like okay, ini Instagram post hari ini Instagram post next. I don't know. Setiap hari konten saya is like okay, aku film my day. Nanti the next day aku post di Instagram. Tapi aku nggak ada assistants, aku nggak ada video editors, aku nggak ada.
Bikin sendiri.
Semua sendiri. Yeah, edit everything myself. I really believe orang yang mau starting bikin content mesti bikin sendiri, because kalau kamu nggak bisa edit, nanti kalau kamu mesti post ada yang something happen, aku nggak mau tunggu orang, aku mau post sendiri. So content strategy saya is like aku film the day, film apa aja happen, the next day aku bikin script, and then kalau ada lucu idea I write it down, and then the next day edit. Post. So edit 20 minit and then post. Yeah.
And you're the expert, yeah.
Aku nggak expert, bro.
Like, yeah, I mean, wow.
2 months Bobby Saputra.
Saputra.
2 bulan.
Baru 2 bulan.
Baru 2 bulan.
This character.
Yeah, Bobby Saputra. Yeah.
Berapa followers?
600,000.
Wow.
Yeah.
600,000.
Yeah.
Every video is million, yeah.
Yes.
Million views.
Yes, 1 juta. Yeah.
You are an expert. That I learned, you know, about you. That you are very good influencer. The best influencer ever.
Yeah, tapi thank you. Tapi ini bukan strategy. Like, I think yang apa beda dari saya dari semua other influencers, habit of creating satu video satu hari. Itu semua okay. So, ada orang yang lucu, ada orang yang creative, ada orang yang bikin video bagus. Tapi di mana ada orang yang setiap hari bilang, okay, enggak apa happening hari ini, aku bikin satu video. Every single day. Ini down in identity saya sekarang. Like, okay, ini jam 9, setiap hari aku posting satu video. Enggak apa-apa, enggak usah lucu, enggak usah kreatif, enggak usah gila dia naik 10 Ferrari semua Lamborghini, tapi setiap hari satu video mesti diposting.
Once a day.
Itu habitnya.
Itu harus di jam yang sama.
Same time.
Harus at the same time 9 o'clock.
Yeah, 9, 10 o'clock kayak gitu ya. Aku ke Instagram office lihat kapan naik atas ke bawah, tapi every day itu important. Itu habitnya semua orang nggak ada. Kamu bisa, okay, let's say aku nggak ada talent. Aku nggak kaya, aku nggak creative, aku nggak good looking. Gimana aku bisa bikin difference dari semua content creators?
Ya.
Aku bisa posting setiap hari. Itu udah beda dari semua kan? Semua orang yang good looking, yang kreatif, nggak ada itu disiplin buat bikin video satu hari sekali. And I think aku nggak model, aku nggak super kreatif, tapi aku bikin video setiap hari. Dan itu practice-nya 200 video lagi atau 60 videos lagi, itu bisa results kayak gitu. Because semua orang lihat, oh, dia ada di Instagram, aku mau lihat, oh, sekarang apa? Oh, what's next, you know? Kayak gitu, you know.
Itu memang ilmunya ya, Bob?
Apa?
Itu memang ilmunya. Itu memang triknya.
Tapi bukan secret kan? Semua famous content creators dia post setiap hari kan?
Ya.
So kenapa kita nggak bisa post setiap hari?
Yeah.
Itu block buat saya banyak tahun, you know. Itu like kenapa aku nggak posting setiap hari? Apa yang blocking itu? Dan kalau saya post setiap hari, aku getting practice. Setiap hari aku 1% lebih bagus video, 1% lebih bagus, 1% lebih bagus. Nanti 100 hari lagi aku bikin better. Nanti ini semua old video saya, orang juga nggak nonton lagi, tapi yang baru itu sudah video yang lebih bisa capturing. Sekarang aku tahu, oh ini second ini, kalau kemarin aku pakai ini buat second ini, atau di hook di video 2 second nggak ada hook, aku ganti di next video, and then I know, oh sekarang orang sudah masuk. And sekarang aku udah ada following yang tahu inside joke saya kan, aku ya professional son. Itu joke saya, and then nanti kalau pakai itu lagi, nanti dia comment semua, oh professional son, you know. So engagementnya very high sekarang, ya.
Keren. Sudah banyak yang tahu kalau Bobby just a character.
Kamu juga, you just need 2 brain cells buat tahu itu cuman, you know.
Tapi lucu. Itu lucu, orang having fun, ya kan. Antara percaya apa tidak, ya kan. Ya, jadi yang saya dikasih tahu kalau oleh my assistant, dan itu it makes me laugh, you know. Udah nonton, udah lucu gitu, dan tahu kalau ternyata Bobby adalah hanya sebuah karakter yang di-create. Wow, it makes me laugh. Itu lebih lucu lagi jadinya.
Tapi semua orang kecil, you know, they're like, kamu really like super rich, like, oh bro, like
you play with it, ya.
It's lucu, it's just lucu, you know, like.
Gila. Jadi aslinya band.
Band.
And you are German?
German.
Orang Jerman. Tapi bapak ibu orang Indonesia.
Orang Indonesia,
ya. Bapak dari?
Bangka Belitung,
Babel, ya.
And mom is from Semarang. But Jakarta. Grew up here in Jakarta.
You grew up here.
Mama grew up in Jakarta.
Dulu sekolah band di
Jerman.
With what city, Ivano?
Berlin.
Oh, Berlin. Oke. Berlin. Dan kemudian band bekerja memang sebagai influencer, ya.
So aku koki actually. Koki masak.
Chef.
Chef
atau koki?
Koki, chef.
Koki is not chef. Chef is not cook.
Oh, chef.
Chef,
Etihad Airways. Aku di first class masak buat orang, you know, buat Akon, Presiden Timur. Like aku koki, I'm a chef.
Wow. Dan dari mana ada band belajar, ya? Bagaimana buat video yang baik? Bagaimana membuat sebuah menjadi seorang influencer yang baik?
Aku nggak ada, masih semua video saya, aku nggak punya kamera, aku nggak punya tripod, semua ini. That's it. Atau
nggak punya kamera,
saya pegang sebentar kayak gitu, you know, like
cuma gitu aja.
No team, no editing, semua sendiri.
Crazy.
Semua, aku nggak ada punya ini iPhone 13. Semua di sini CapCut. Nggak ada tim, nggak ada asisten, nggak ada PA, nggak ada semua sendiri, ya.
Saya dengar band juga bekerja sebagai influencer untuk satu perusahaan atau apa, ya? Nggak juga.
Sorry?
Bekerja sebagai influencer untuk corporate.
Oh pertama first aku kerja buat company mushrooms, teh bikin dari mushrooms. Aku bikin semua content strategy buat dia. And dia juga 6 bulan 300 followers on TikTok.
3,000.
6 bulan buat company, itu buat brand, or all organic. So tapi itu beda. Itu cuma buat product. Ini aku cuma writing script. Aku never bikin video sendiri. So buat saya sendiri, September last year, aku bikin video di jalan masak Indomie. You know? Coba Indomie. Itu cuma itu aja. So semua konten aku bisa dapat apa di makanan di jalan di jalan di Indonesia. Because aku nggak tahu kan. Aku cuma makan belum coba sate and siomay di jalan, you know. So aku bikin video gitu baik, you know, 100-200 views, and then suddenly di kepala saya ada idea. Apa yang orang kaya makan di sini? So semua orang Cindo di sini anterin saya, you know, ayo kita ke AB Steak. Aku keluarin telepon saya. Hi, I'm Bobby. Sekarang aku mau coba makanan orang kaya, you know. And then pertama video 1 million views.
Oh ya?
Next video 10 million views, you know. And then it never stopped. Every day 1 million views. I was like, ini Bobby lebih lucu dari saya, you know. And then sekarang it went crazy and
Maksudnya kalau Ben bikin semacam kursus mengajarkan orang untuk membuat video supaya banyak ditonton, wah.
Of course.
That's the money.
Yeah, tapi money is not everything.
This is real Ben.
Yeah, peace. Peace is everything.
Peace is everything. So Ben and Bobby is two so different characters.
Bro, it's different. Ben is, like Bobby is an asshole. Bobby
You
is,
said that.
Bobby is so.
But I agree.
Bobby is so stupid, and he's such an asshole. And he's like girlfriend sama pacar. It's like so mean, yeah. But I don't believe in that. Like I'm a God-fearing, Jesus-following, normal guy. Like I don't sleep with girls. I don't drink. I don't do drugs. I don't do anything. I'm like completely clean. No porn. Nothing. Like I'm completely. Like I abide by God's rule. I read the Bible every day. I volunteer at my church.
Are you kidding?
I'm not joking, bro. That's real me. Like Bobby is a dick. I don't think Bobby even goes to church. You know, like Bobby is like, and me myself, man. I just follow Jesus. That's all I do. I do nothing else, man. Okay. I go to volunteer at church. Yeah, it's crazy. I know it's crazy.
This guy is crazy, but I love it, no?
Yeah, it's good fun.
Is it like Dr. Hyde and Jekyll? Is it no?
Hyde and what?
Hyde and the split personality. Jekyll and Hyde.
Yeah, it's a little bit like that. Like, I have to turn it on, you know, like 'cause Bobby's. But we all know a Bobby, you know. In Indonesia ada banyak orang kayak Bobby, you know, like. Yeah. Banyak orang kaya, like arrogant, you know.
Jadi ini mungkin Ben cuma ngejek mereka gitu ya.
What is ngejek?
Ngejek is something mockery, something like. So I mean.
But I'm making fun of my own people, kan? Like I'm making fun of my chindos, of my own people, you know.
What you do is fun.
Yeah. So it's a little bit mockery, tapi. Who cares if you make fun of rich people? Like no one cares, you know.
And they love it.
Yeah. What? We need a little lightness, you know. There's so much war and so much negative, and I'm like, I never think about that, man. I only think about what's ahead, you know. Like I only think of like, how can I make everyone's day a little bit funnier? Maybe I make fun of myself, you know. And
Saya ngelihat kamu foto sama Gibran. Yes. What is your comment? Siapa ini orang?
Yeah, siapa ini?
Man, dia vice president, man.
He's so cool, man.
Yeah.
Kita di stadium, you know, and aku punya catchphrase, China points, you know. And then kita ke stadium in HSS, you know, boxing event itu. Dia sama semua security guard, semua orang nggak boleh pegang. Dia ambil tangan saya, 55 China points. What?
Oh, he knows you.
Yeah. He comments on my video, you know. So he's like, Gibran is the man, bro. He's so cool, you know.
Siapa lagi temannya, Bob? Ben. Wah, sorry. Siapa lagi temannya?
Deddy Corbuzier is very cool. Yeah, he's super cool. I love him. He's like, he's super intelligent, you know.
Yeah.
He knows exactly. Deddy Corbuzier knows what to ask. He's funny. He's intelligent. He's really like Joe Rogan of Indonesia. He's like super smart. He does research. He edits the videos, you know.
Oh yeah?
Bro, he goes down to the editing suite, and Deddy Corbuzier goes to the computers and says ini. Like, wow. He's involved, and he's very cool. And I met Ivan, what's his name?
Ivan Gunawan?
Ivan Gunawan?
Yeah, Ivan Gunawan.
Yeah, I met him yesterday. He's a very funny guy as well.
Funny guy.
Yeah, he's very sweet.
He should love you so much, huh?
He's very funny, He's very, very funny. He's a funny guy.
Who else?
And famous people?
Yeah.
Indonesia? I don't know.
Now you're a celebrity. You're very popular, man.
Yeah. Who do I hang out with?
Yeah. Udah muncul di podcast siapa aja? Deddy Corbuzier, Now With Me. Di mana lagi?
Deddy Corbuzier was the first podcast I came on.
Okay, this is second one.
This is the second one, yeah.
Wow, I have to on air as soon as possible then.
You have to what?
Saya harus siar on air secepat mungkin ya. As soon as possible.
Yeah. I don't know any other podcast. Siapa lagi?
Yeah. Oh, so many.
Yeah.
That's why saya tanya si my brother Rian. We are from Palembang. Kando ini gini. Oh, okay.
Yeah, quick, yeah.
You're very close with Rian.
Yes, very close.
It's another Chindo.
Yes, another church Chindo. My dad.
Chindo, yeah.
I said I posted about William Saputra on my. I didn't ask him. I just did it. And suddenly, 10,000 followers, couple of days. Like, so, yeah, so lucu. Yeah.
So lucu, yeah.
Yeah. I'm just having fun, man. You know, I just do everything I do to make fun.
Hidup jangan terlalu serius juga ya.
Why serious? Why too serious? The world's already too serious. You know.
It's too serious.
So many war.
Politik Indonesia, ya.
Very hard to understand politik Indonesia. It's very difficult to understand.
Even me.
You don't know?
Even me. Yeah. I'm the political party member now. Yeah, PSI.
Your content is also politics?
Sometimes. Depend on the viral thing, you know. Before the election, saya interview banyak politician. It works. You know, it works. 1,000,000, 200,000, 300,000, 500,000.
But so how does it work? There's president, and then there's generals?
Mm-hmm.
Or what? Like presidents?
Yeah.
And then is there ministers?
Yeah, will be minister.
Who is the highest in power is the president?
President.
So, and then there all the defense minister, tourism minister,
yes, under him,
finance minister,
yes,
and then
they work for president.
And then the generals are for military or what?
General is the military. It is another thing, you know. But all under control of the president. Yeah, all under control of the president.
And these generals, why do they have so much power? Why do generals have power? Or
yeah, in their field, you know, because they have the test. Mereka punya tanggung jawab, responsibility to defend our country. Yeah.
From
the president.
No, siapa defend dari siapa?
Dari serangan, dari kemungkinan serangan dari negara-negara lain.
Which negara?
I don't know.
You don't know.
But we have to kita harus siap ya.
Be ready.
Ya. Sekarang dunia lagi kacau. Ya, Iran, Israel, you know what? Ukraine belum beres.
Yeah, we gotta be ready here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You don't like politics, it seems to me.
I don't think about it too much. No, I don't.
Dulu Ben lebih banyak di Jerman atau banyak di Indonesia?
I grew up in Inggris.
Grew up in Inggris?
Yeah, I grew up in London.
London,
yeah,
okay.
So
SD, SMP, SMA di situ?
Never finished high school.
Never finished high school?
No.
Wow, but you are so smart.
Yeah, I was young and just kerja di restoran or like cuci piring and working in a nightclub and nothing crazy. Yeah.
Habis itu di Berlin?
No, dari London ke Amerika, ke New York, ke Los Angeles. Nanti balik ke sini last year ke Bali. And then 6 bulan di Bali. And then 4 months ago I came to Jakarta.
Jakarta.
Yes.
So you are a nomad, yeah?
Yes, nomad, yeah.
You love it?
Yeah, I don't not love it, you know. Semua banyak culture bisa, you know, the world is so interesting. I feel like every culture ada sedikit interesting. Aku bisa ambil sedikit, you know. Everyone's ada. Kalau kamu ngomong sama orang and kamu bilang, oh dia boring, mungkin kamu boring. Every person is dyingly interesting.
Yeah.
Kalau you just dig a little bit deeper, like semua orang Gojek here, they all have their stories, you know.
Yeah.
Today I went to a cafe in Kemang. I met this guy from Afghanistan. He came here after the war and he slept on the street for 6 weeks.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, he came here and he slept on the street for 6 weeks and he told me, he was like, man, I had such big problems, but then I thought about a job for 3 million rupiah every month, and then he worked and then he got the job, and I thought, wow, like you are so interesting, you know, like thank you for sharing this to me. And I feel like that's why it's so interesting to have a podcast, because everyone's so unbelievably interesting.
Semua orang punya ceritanya sendiri-sendiri.
Everyone has a story.
Yeah.
Yeah, semua.
Everyone's had a story.
Yeah. Who's your favorite guest yang datang ke sini?
So many. Daddy is one of the best, yeah, because he's very good. He's very talkative, you know. So many. Depend on what field, you know. Yeah. Especially the comedian. But I enjoy high level people, you know. Person coming to my show, the one with a very, very high profile, you know. One of yang paling banyak, you don't know this guy, M. Kodari. M. Kodari, he's the pengamat political observer. Maybe he show in my show 8 or 9 times, and always boom, because what we need I'm a communication coach. Saya tidak perlu orang yang pintar sekali. Yang saya butuh adalah orang yang jago, pintar sekali delivery. For me, communication is not only about content, but how to deliver. If you agree.
Yeah.
Yeah, you are a very good deliverer, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, with your Bobby character, I think, wow, that's genius.
Yeah.
That's genius.
It requires a little bit of thought, you know. It requires a little bit. People can pull it off. I don't say there is another guy in America who does the same, but it requires. I would say it requires energy.
Yeah.
And it requires a little bit of thought, because the script is like
sure.
Anyone can write a script. ChatGPT can write a script.
Sure.
But can ChatGPT go into culture and poke a little bit at racism and poke a little bit at conflict issues? Can he poke a little bit of the knowledge that the coherent knowledge in people's brains in Indonesia about corruption, for example?
I don't think they can.
They can't. And ChatGPT in reality it's good for formulating ideas, but it's not in practically presenting ideas.
I still don't really believe in ChatGPT for sure.
What is your concern?
Because I can test myself, Helmi Yahya from Indonesia. Tell me about Helmi Yahya. 6 times I tried, six time versions, and 6 time lie. Not all true about me.
I think you can train ChatGPT though. You can train it.
Maybe.
It's a language model, and if you train it, it's still like a little angry child. ChatGPT is like a little bit silly, but if you train it correctly and you prompt it correctly, it can formulate.
Okay.
But it still cannot do Bobby Suputra, for example.
Yeah.
Because in our minds, for example, we know, there's corruption. Ada corruption kan, and then he cannot make a joke. He cannot do sarcastic joke. I have 60 cars, 1 car for every day of the year. ChatGPT says, but the year has 365. He doesn't know that Bobby is stupid. Kan? Yeah, so if you prompt it correctly, maybe it can, but not now.
Okay, Ben, very nice to having you here.
Thank you.
I learned a lot, You teach me a lot about how to make a very good content. So what is your plan now? What are you doing here in Jakarta?
Man, actually, I just want to open a restaurant, to be honest. That's my only dream. Like, I don't have... I leave my dreams up to God, but the only dream I still have is to open a restaurant.
What kind of restaurant? What's that?
Like really nice. Like really fine, you sit down and you enjoy. Like really fine dining, maybe a mix of like Chinese, Indonesian food.
Fusion?
Kayak gitu, tapi, but almost like a fusion of the low-end Chinese Indonesian food, babi, crispy babi and stuff like that, and then maybe mix it with a little bit of Spanish stuff, like prawn rice, like so pan Asian Spanish kind of. I lived in South America for 1 year, so kayak gitu, makanan mixed, Yeah. That's my only dream.
Your dream. In what stage? Is it still preparation or?
I can do it now, but right now content is still fun. Yeah, so I'm the new face of Shopee, which is great. So Shopee. Yeah, but in reality, I have a craft. I enjoy using my brain a lot, but I enjoy using my hands even more. And I feel I want to cook. I want to eat. I want to make good food.
That's your passion.
Food, yeah. Food. Creating food. Eating food, of course, tapi
nggak belajar ilmu kuliner masak itu enggak ya?
Aku ke culinary school in Malaysia in Le Cordon Bleu, yeah.
Okay.
Tapi you learn cooking from your mom. You learn cooking from the street. You learn cooking from experience. So I would love to have a restaurant. I think that is the dream.
Okay.
So if you guys want to invest, invest. Kaching.
Dia punya sesuatu ya. Dia punya sesuatu. Popularities, ya. Karena orang datang mungkin karena who own it, like so many chef from Amerika, ya, Inggris, ya. Kemudian punya restoran, signature restaurant.
Yeah.
Harus Michelin, no.
Kenapa enggak? You know, like why not?
Kenapa enggak?
Yeah.
Sekalian.
Always go for the best.
Yes. Can do it.
You think?
Di Jakarta udah nggak ya Michelin restoran? Belum ya?
Kita nggak ada Michelin guide di sini.
Nggak ada?
Belum.
Belum. Anda tahu dari mana Michelin star berasal? Dulu dibuat oleh perusahaan ban Michelin atau Michelin kita nyebutnya. Supaya orang menggunakan mobilnya, ya, maka diberikan tempat-tempat destinasi untuk makan.
Yes.
Jadi restoran-restoran hebat, mereka kasih rating supaya orang datang, supaya mereka pakai mobilnya dan bannya cepat habis terpakai. Oke Ben, sukses untuk karirnya.
Thank you so
Love
much.
to have you here.
Thank you so much.
It's very fun, you know.
Yeah.
I love a lot.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Ya, jadi kita belajar banyak lah. Jadi ini tidak sekadar kita ngomong lucu-lucuan ya. You have to learn. Ya, begitu kita masuk band, this guy, he's so smart. Ya, we learn a lot. Ya, have fun. Jangan serius banget, tetapi seriuslah dengan mimpi-mimpimu. Ya, kita jumpa lagi dengan tamu hebat saya selanjutnya. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
Dan terima kasih sudah menonton Helmy Bicara. Jangan lupa untuk like, komen, share, dan subscribe.